Yo, welcome to another episode of Straight Off the Rip with your boy Tony the Hitman. We're gonna jump right in again. You know what it is. Today I want to talk about X is gonna give it to you. I'm gonna give it to you. My man DMX, man. Now, I watched DMX on the Breakfast Club. Anybody that know me know I ride with X, man. I've been riding with X since the Ja Rule was the spark plug for X. You know what I'm saying? So, and this is what I've been telling people, man. I really think we can learn a lot from X, man. If we was just in that 1 hour of time on the Breakfast Club, I learned so much from X, man. I learned how to be humble, man. That dude really humbled me, you know what I'm saying? And he taught me, you know, even though I already know this stuff, he just reiterated to me that God is for real, man. Real talk, God is for real and he cares about us, man. And that's what I like about X, man. He's truthful. He lays everything out on the line, man. He ain't throwing no sucker punches. If he don't like you, you know he don't like you. If he don't F with you, he don't F with you. If he don't rock with you, he don't rock with you. If he don't ride with you, he don't ride with you. Y'all get the point, man. That's X. And people try to tell me that X ain't the realest in the game right now. X is probably one of the realest dudes you could run to in the game. Ain't nobody taking X's change, man. Y'all know what it is, man. You take X change, man, X is coming to see you, man. It ain't no, I'm gonna see you later. You gotta see X right then and there. And I pray for X, be honest with you, I pray for X. I've been praying for X for day one, man. X been fighting them demons. X remind me of my brother, Smooth C, man. You feel me? Straight up, no chaser. Straight, I mean like 100 proof. These are 100 proof niggas, you know what I'm saying? Real talk. And I'm one of them. But anyway, I've been telling people for a long time, I think X, he was way realer than Pac. I love Pac too, man. You know what I'm saying? I love Pac too, man. Don't get it wrong. Don't get it twisted. But I think X got Pac, man. X is like, I mean, X got people at the edge of their seat waiting to hear from him, bro. X got people running up to him crying, man. You heard what he said? It's not running out their nose. You know what I'm talking about? They want to give up on life and commit suicide, but when they turn on X, and like it breathes hope to me. You understand what I'm saying? But I think he was the realest in the game, man. A man of God. We all have our shortcomings of who we are, you know, when it comes to God. And X don't judge nobody. And the one thing that caught my attention is when he said he was about to call somebody a bum, or he called them a bum, and right then now he said, man, who am I to call somebody a bum? You don't know the situation. Man, how real can you be, bro? He had to look at himself. We can learn a lot from X, man. A lot of people can learn from X, man, if we just sit back and listen to what this dude is saying, man. I've been to a few concerts with X, man. And X make everybody pray. I don't care what's going on. Stop, drop, you know what I'm saying? Shut them down, open up shop. Oh, that's X, man. And X gonna, after you get through doing all that, X gonna say, hey, let's bow our heads. Heavenly Father, he go right into it. Y'all know, man, that's X, man. X know he have his shortcomings, and he fighting them demons, and the thing is, we gotta pray for him. Like all these Christian brothers and these ones that's battling, the Illuminati's on X real heavy, bro. They don't want this dude to give that message. And this new album coming out, man, y'all got to go get it, bro. I know it's gonna be fire. Kanye, you better get that boy some tracks, man. Y'all better get that boy some tracks. Dre, you better get that boy some tracks, man. Come on, Dre. Y'all quit holding back on X, man. Y'all know he's the realest out there in the game. We need X back in the game, man. All you guys out there, I gotta throw up a partition for X or something, man. You know what I'm saying? It's almost like free X. Free X, let him out of jail. They got him in jail, even though he's roaming around free. They don't want to see X blow up no more, man. Because they know X gonna give it to him. These are watered down rappers, man. I don't name one real rapper out there to me, man. I'm talking about full circle. Name one and I bet you he ain't standing next to X. None of these dudes out here can stand in X shoes, man. They can't even rock with X like that. And y'all know I'm telling the truth. I put the money on it. I put the house on it, man. No dudes out here running like X, man. That's a real dude. Run for the hills, here come X. X, my man. But I'm glad to see X back in it, man. I want to see him win again. And I know X is gonna do some good with his money, man. I know X is gonna do some good with his money this time. This go around, X got this, man. I really do. X is gonna give back, man. And they know what X gonna do. X don't tell them your plan. Once you tell them haters your plan, man, that's when they come at you, when they destroy it. You feel me? Do not mention your plan. Just do it. Don't tell them everything you gonna do. That's the mistake Pac did. Pac ran his mouth too much and told these people what he was gonna do. And they ran up on it. We can't let this dude, he'll be the next president. He's so powerful, his mouth so big. He's so politically strong. We gotta let it happen. Get on and knock him out. X, don't tell these people your plan, man. I love you, brother. I'm waiting for that album. I know I'ma support you. I gotta see I know you're gonna feed the soul. I know you're gonna feed the soul. You're gonna feed the people. And you got fans out there way bigger than these suckers, man. We only been listening to these suckers on the radio because that's all we had, man. I don't even turn on the radio no more. I ain't got nobody today. X, I'm still jamming 97. 97, when you dropping 97, man, I'm still dropping 97, man. You gotta come with it, X. What's the word? Let me know what it is, man. But X, man, peace, bro. I know you there. You got this, bro. X, the realest in the game. A legend. Anybody try to contest that, man, you out of your mind. Even, y'all see Nas even posted X, a new album on his page. What that tell you? See, these the only dudes I rock with. Nas, X in my deck. They stay in my deck. Nas and X, I got everything on them. Man, I like to be fed some knowledge, some wisdom, hunger. That's me. That's how I rock. I don't want to be hearing about these dudes, how they dogging a female in the bed and all that, how many head shots you take to the head and what you drive and this and that. Man, I ain't got time for that. That ain't teaching me nothing. Ain't teaching me how to get out of the hood. Like Nas say, there's a lot of X's out the hood, but no signs say out. Yo, I'm slipping, I'm falling, I can't get up. Man, y'all better get with it, man. X, well, anyway, X, man, I'm glad to see you back in it, man. Stay true to your roots. And all these years, he ain't never changed. You ain't gonna never change. I know you ain't gonna change. You taking that to the grave, to you, from the cradle to the grave. I'm out. Once again, thank y'all for tuning into my channel. Straight off the rip with your boy, Tony Hitman. Until next time, peace.